Hi, welcome to Air1 Auto. This is 2009 Honda Odyssey. The alternator is not charging, so I need to replace the alternator. Let me show you a step by step how to replace. It's very simple to test alternator. It's working or not. Just put. You can use with the multimeter or with. I have the thing battery charger. I'm in the tester. I'm gonna put one lead positive and a negative one. So when I start the car, it should be go up, not decrease. It should be increase the to more than 12.3. It's supposed to be go up. So if it is not going up, that means the battery is, the alternator. That means alternator is not charging the battery. Let me start it up and take a look. See, I start the car. It's not going up, it's decreasing. Look, it's supposed to be go up, not down. It's supposed to be more than 13 or more than 13 or 14. We can test with the simple. This is multimeter tool. Just put on a 20 volt and put one lead in positive and one lead on a negative. Just put something alligator or something to hook it up with this, then start the car. If it is increase the power, that means alternator is good. If it is not increasing, like stay whatever it is on or go down little by little with the start, that means alternator is bad. I'm going to take this cover out. See this is the connector. You pull this, then there's a connector right there. Just push the tab and pull it. When you push the hand down, please make sure your vehicle is cold, because there's a catalytic converter. If you touch the catalytic converter with hot, you'll burn yourself. This AC connector is a little bit difficult to take off. Just pay attention. It will come out. Let me show you how I did. This line all the way bottom. What I did, like little hook, thing, just I put inside like this, and with the hand and just pull it. It will come easy, or you can just pull like this. Put the peak right there and pull it. It will come out. Disconnect AC line. You see a whole harness. I can just flip it like this. So I need a space to take the alternator. This is our alternator. Take the alternator out. So I need to take this off. Take this off. Reservoir, just simply pull it. And I'm gonna make little room right here. So I'm gonna simply just pull this reservoir out, and then I'm gonna unclip this. Just I'm gonna take this off. To be a little bit of fluid coming. When you take it off, make sure you put something to block this, or you can make an empty face, then do that. That'll be better. After that, I'm going to take one 10mm bolt right there and whole AC line. I can move here and there. After I take this off from here, 10mm, I'm going to take another 10mm right there for the AC line, so it can move this. After that, this one just have a push clip right there. See? Take it off. See, after I take this off, a little bit of fluid comes. It's not too bad. After that, I just whole thing, and I just flip it in here. See this? There's a fluid inside. Leave it like this. Just leave it. The pipe should be on the up. Should be up, so fluid is not coming. Now I see after 2 bolt break, I can move this easily. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna move this way or maybe the other way. Let's see. After that, there's a, for this harness, there's a little clip right there. Just little tab things. Just pull it like so, like this. Pull it. This harness easily. So take this is the high pressure line. Take this off from this push clip. This from this tab, same thing. Just push it and pull it. It will come out. So you see this so this whole AC line and our alternator is right there. So all AC line and the harness, everything, I'm gonna like put the bungee cord right there, and I think this is enough room to get it out the alternator. So I have a lot of room now. Now I can take this alternator out. So there's a see, this is a new alternator. This is pretty simple operation. You see, this is the top ball, which is by the breaker. I'll show you. This is the only ball you have to take it out between two pulley, like tensioner pulley, and I'll show you. This is the only ball I need to take it out from the bottom. Let me show you that. See this bottom, the alternator, I mean the bottom, the tensioner. See this is the only ball we need to take it off. This one, see this from the bottom. This is our tensioner right there. 14mm ball. I mean for the tensioner ball is 14 too, and the alternator ball as well. This one is 14. So I'm going to take the belt now. You see, I attached 14mm with the tensioner, and I'm not going to take all the belt. You can take all the belt out and see the diagram, which one was go where. You can put it back, but I'm going to put this one of this just after take the belt from the alternator. Just I'm going to clean the belt and hold it, and when I put it back, just release it and put it back like that. Now I'm going to take the belt off now. Just push this. Simply take the belt off. So I'm going to leave everything attached. Pins right there. So our belt is off. I'm gonna just pinch with this. That's it. So it's not gonna come out, the belt. If it is on your way, just put a little bit on the top right there, like this. So you can push on the side like this. You have enough room for the. Now you can see more easily this ball, 14mm right there. So we need to take that ball out. See, I touched the wrench, so I'm gonna take. It's a little tight, so take this ball out. See that when I take it off, little by little. Take this. You need little like a long socket, like deep socket. So there is the top ball right there. There's a two ball, 12mm, one for the bracket, one for this one for the alternator. So I'm going to take the both off, so I can take the separately breaker off. It's more easy to pull it up. After alternator. I take two ball out from there, so the breaker is separate now, so I take individually breaker off first. So don't forget to put it back again. When you put it back with new one, you have to put this breaker back, and just wiggle a little bit like this. See, it's moving now. So little by little, it's gonna take a little time. Eventually it will come out. Sometimes don't like to come out when you pull this alternator. stuck in here, so put a little bit of like WD-40 on this side, both sides. Take the alternator out. We need more space. It's not coming out. I tried. So to take this alternator out, I need a little more room, so I need to open this. This is a couple push clip here and there, just take it off. After that, I'm gonna take one 10mm ball in here from the radiator, one 10mm ball from there. Then I'm gonna take this ball. This is for the condenser bracket, this is for the radiator. I already opened that. See this? So same on the other side. I'm gonna take this ball out so I can move more this way. So after I open those balls, look, I can move this radiator so far. Look, that's all I need, room. So I need to take this 10mm ball right there. This one is touching the alternator. When I pull and take this off, this is in the corner. You see, this is the like ignition coil. It's right here. Right? See, I push the radiator is little down. I mean this way. Put a little wood right there in the corner. Then I was able to open this. It's not really easy, really difficult. Put little wood in here. See, make a little more gap for radiator. I was able to open this. You see this AC hose. See, this AC hose is pushed all the way right there and flew through in here. See this one is tempered to become easily like this. See, so let me put it in this, go this way, this. To go like this. There we go. That's it. Went in. So don't forget to put this bowl. See, I took the bowl off, so don't forget to put now. I'm gonna put this one now before I forget. There's a little groove right there. The alternator will sit on the groove like this. Put it in and tight one ball right there, and bracket and ball on the top. Put this put this bell back and put all this ball, two in here, two in there for radiator and condenser. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. Reverse is removable, and please subscribe the channel to help the channel to grow up, please.